Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video, I'll be showing my workouts. I'll explain what kind of workouts I do and importance of workout, which most of you know, but I'll share my thoughts on that. I've been working out regularly for many years now. I used to do weight training. I used to work out in a very systematic way. Now my goal basically is to keep myself healthy, work out regularly, train each and every part of my body, make sure that everything is working well, and burn calories, pump my heart rate, and fight diabetes. That's the goal for me. My goal is not to become like a model sort of thing to create muscles. I am not a bodybuilder. I am working out to keep myself healthy. And this is not for like 3 months or 6 months. This is something which you need to do for your lifetime. So understand that it's something which you need to do every day, almost every day, at least 5 days a week. So you need to decide what you need to do. You shouldn't get bored after some time. What happens with most of the people is they start off with a bang. They go to the gym, they do some weight training, and in between either they fall sick or they find some reason to come out of that, and it gets broken. It doesn't continue. So make sure that you want to do something little, but do it regularly, consistently. Do whatever is required for your body. Being diabetic, every person's health condition is not the same. Age would be high, so you cannot go for heavy weight training. So you need to decide what you should do. You can select a sports, you can do simple exercises, stretches, you can do yoga, high intensity interval training, or something like what I am doing. It's like a mix of everything. I'll show you what I am doing. It may not be perfect, but it's working really good for me. I keep changing. It's not that I do the same thing every day. Some days I do yoga, some days I go for a jog, some days I go for a walk, sometimes I go for a cycling, sometimes I go for some trekking. So when do you do this exercise? What time of the day? See, morning I woke up, freshened up, made a cup of tea, and I'm having it. I'll start my exercise maybe half an hour later after my tea. One thing you should be sure that you shouldn't have your stomach full when you're working out. Your stomach should be almost empty. I had my food yesterday evening, no dinner. I don't take dinner. I try to fast for 16 hours a day. The intermittent fasting is going on. Sometimes it's 15 hours, sometimes it's like 17 hours. Whatever it is, I keep doing that. It's working good for me. Time you're working out, it can be evening, it can be morning. Best is morning if you can do that. Whenever I am working from home or whenever I am not traveling, I do my workout mostly in the morning. But when I am working, I do it after my office. After 5 o'clock, I go out for a jog or I work out in the evening. It's up to you to decide when you have to work out. It's your comfort, your time. Don't make it very stressful to work out. It should be something which you should be enjoying or looking forward to do every day. That's the reason I am telling that don't stick to a single regime, because this is something which you have to do for your lifetime. Now some people ask me about pre-workout meal or pre-workout drink. See, I used to have these pre-workout drinks earlier when I was doing intense weight training in the gym. Then I realized that you don't really need to have all these pre-workout drinks. These are chemicals. These are something I don't feel it's really natural. If you have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, black coffee would be something I prefer, but I have a problem when I take black coffee. I'll talk about coffee and caffeine in a separate video, which I have been studying for a couple of months now, and I have changed something in my life. I'll share that with you guys in my next video. So I now have a tea. This is with a little milk, maybe say 15 to 20% of the content is milk, skim milk. And the tea is not just normal tea. I'll give you the details of the tea. It's called Vinda tea. I've been trying this for last 3 to 4 months. It's good tea. It has green tea, black tea, white tea, then lots of herbs like the jamun powder. Most of the things are which would improve the sensitivity of the insulin. So this is something which you can try. I'm not endorsing this product. I am not paid to endorse, or I'm not paid to. These are things which I really use it and I find it good. It's good for me. It doesn't mean that it's like curing my diabetes. I have seen that when I drink this tea, my sugar level in the morning is very consistent. Means after a workout, when I check my blood glucose level, it's like almost very normal. So I found that this is good, this is not bad. So instead of drinking a normal tea, I thought of drinking this tea. How long to work out? See, I would say that you should work out at least 40 minutes a day. It can go up to 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes or 20 minutes. I usually target to work out around 1 hour. My target is to burn around 400 calories. I use my Apple Watch and I track my calorie and my heart rate. So that gives an idea of how much we are working out. Now, what about post-workout meals? As I mentioned in my previous video, I usually have whey protein after my workout. I add some other stuffs like what I have shown in the previous video. Check that video if you are interested in knowing about my special post-workout drink or special protein drink. Suppose your goal is to build muscle, it is really important to focus on diet. You need to have high protein diet, or you need to have more protein when your goal is to build muscles. Building muscles, or if you have better muscle mass, it's good for fighting diabetes. There are many proven reasons or theories behind that, which I have explained in one of my previous videos. You can check that. I will put all the links of these videos in the description. Please go through that, it would be really helpful. So this video I am focusing on only the workouts that I regularly do. Let's not confuse, I like sometimes work out the entire body. Earlier, like when I was doing my training in the gym, I used to like focus on specific parts for specific days. Like today would be a leg day, I'll be working out all the exercise related to my legs. Then some days would be like shoulders, or some days would be like arms. Now it's not, I don't really do that much. Sometimes I follow something called pull, push and legs, which is again good, but there are no really strict rules for me. See, as I told you, my goal is to keep myself healthy, keep a check on my weight, pump my heart rate, and that's all. Fight diabetes. So let me get ready and come and we'll start the workouts. Make sure that you prepare yourself, you are fresh to work out, you should feel energetic. You should be wearing clothes which are ideal for workout, and shoes, very important, because chances of hurting your legs are there when you work out. So let's get started. First is the warm-ups. I do some simple stretches and few things to warm up. I'll be doing 3 sets into 20. That's my regular push-ups. Sometimes I go for 5 sets. I suggest you guys to buy these bands. These is really helpful. I have got few bands which I use a lot these days because the access to dumbbells and weights are less. So I use this band for resistance. So it works good. This is the other band which I use. Now this exercise is something would really burn a lot of calorie, so you should try this.
This one really pumps your entire body, man. I like to do things, exercise which would really work on my entire body rather than specifically focusing on a particular part of the body. But definitely that's really good when you are going for a bodybuilding or shaping you up for some competition and all. Check out my heart rate. It has gone 172, 171. If you're not using any smartwatch like Apple Watch or Android watches are there, I would suggest if you can get one, it's great, because it's a great motivation. Because end of the day, when you look at your activity and you see, okay, I have burned so much of calories or so much of time I have done my workout, it gives you a real satisfaction. And moreover, you have some records of your workouts. You can go to the past and check your workouts. So that really motivates me. One thing I want to tell you about the heart rate. I had showed you my heart rate. You should pump your heart rate to the maximum. Maximum means 220 minus your age. Suppose you are 50 years old, 220 minus 50, 170. You shouldn't go above that. It's not right. They say 220 minus your age. If you are able to pump and if it comes back within few seconds or less than a minute, then it's good. I regularly do that. I go up to 172, 173, 170. That's my regular practice. I try to do it every day, the days I am working out. To start off, if you feel it tough to pull yourself, it's really tough when you start off. Don't worry, I'll give you a trick. Take this band, right leg is ideal. Do it very carefully. Okay. This is something for beginners, and even if you want to do more number of repetitions, I usually use this band. You should do different variations like the wide and the hands this side and this side. Now this is wide. These are for abs. If you're targeting six packs, try this. But again, diet is very important, because you will have six packs abs, but it won't be visible, covered with fat. So you need to get rid of the fat. Your six packs would be visible. It's a good idea to have a pull-up bar or something which is strong enough to carry your weight safely. When you work out, give utmost importance for safety, because if you injure yourself, you will be like losing months recovering from the injury. So work out very safely. I've worked out almost all part of my body, but I'm going to do some workout for my arms, biceps and triceps. I'll use the dumbbells as well as the kettlebell. See guys, if you are diabetic, it's very difficult to build muscles, but it can be done. I have explained these things in separate videos, links in the description. my suggestion is don't go for bulking up too much. Check your weight. It should be the standard weight. You shouldn't be overweight. What happens is it's very tough to maintain bulking up. You can have normal, I'm not a very bulky person, but I am having a standard, a good muscles, good physique, which I am really happy about, and I am continuing to maintain this. I have no plans to like go for bodybuilding championship or go for building my muscles too big, too bulky. So I have to have proper diet. I have to go for high protein diet, good protein, good carbohydrates, less carbohydrates, good fat. So the secret of building muscles is not just working out regularly. You need to have right diet, you need to sleep well, you need to make sure that your blood glucose level is under control. If your blood glucose level is not under control, you may not be able to work out. You will be very tired. You will not get the results even if you try to work out. Don't try to do anything artificial. See, there are so many products in the market they try to sell to build your body muscles. Don't go for any of those things. First thing you need to do is get your blood glucose level under control. First thing. Without that, you cannot do anything. And that happens with a process. You can start mild workouts. You need to take care of your diet. You need to eat food which wouldn't spike your blood glucose level. You need to eat food which will help you build your muscles, give you energy. Very important thing, after working out, make sure that you rest. Let your body cool down before you go for a shower. If it's like too urgent, you should have a hot shower, because I used to have a problem of getting injury or sprains or muscle cramps, which created trouble for me. So guys, these are basically the exercise which I do regularly. It's not that I do all these exercises every day. I did it today just to show you guys what I do regularly. I do some floor exercises also, like the leg ups. See, my goal is basically to keep myself fit. My goal is to make sure that I don't have muscle loss. My goal is to keep my blood glucose level good, and I need to enjoy the workout. That's all what I do. And one thing you all should remember, this is not a one-day task or something which you need to do and forget it. This is something which you should do for your lifetime, because diabetes is a condition which will never cure. And not just diabetes, man, to keep yourself healthy, working out is really good. You'll really enjoy it. I do it without any pain. Means I really love to do this exercise. It's like if I don't do my workouts, I feel like I've missed brushing my teeth. Hope you guys understand and take this seriously. Happy working out. Bye. Take care.